Do you know? These are two of Korea's most popular street foods, tteokbokki, sundae. Today, I'm trying them together. First, the tteokbokki. It's spicy and sweet and chewy. Good. Now, the sundae. It's soft and savory and surprisingly delicious. 맛있다. But here's the Korean secret. Dip the sundae into the tteokbokki sauce. This is why Koreans love this combo. Would you try Korean tteokbokki and sundae? Tell me in the comments.